Oh my god, it's getting in my pants. Ah! The water's leaking. Ah! This is not, it's in my pants.
I'm just trying to get a car wash.
Oh my gosh, it's cold. Ah! This is not fun. I hate this car. You should get your money back. Is this fun?
No.
This is like Slitterbond.
I'm thirsty.
I feel like we're... This is the worst idea ever.
Look.
What? You did take a shower today, so you actually smell better.
Yeah. This must be fun when we get out. My mom sees this.
I know. Stop! It's soap in your hair. You hobo. Your mom's gonna like, what happened? Your mom.
Do you have any soap?
Yeah, you freaking smell bad. You rat.
I was like, you came out of there looking like that.
You got 2-for-1 shower and a car wash. Oh, now you want to drive.
Wait, drive me, bitch. This is pretty powerful. That was fun. That was fun. Good wash. Where's my mom?
Oh my god, it's leaking!
Where'd my mom go?
My pants are wet. This is disgusting. The worst car wash I've ever been.
Where did my mom leave? I thought we were supposed to vacuum the car. That's the whole point.
Well, she probably. What if
She's still in there?
What if she took a shower?